Good morning students. In today's video tutorial session, I will be discussing about fundamental duties of Indian Constitution. For more GK video tutorials, you can visit our website gkindiavideos.com, where you can find various free general knowledge video tutorials on different subjects like basic general knowledge, Punjab general knowledge, Indian Constitution related general knowledge and other material. So let us discuss fundamental duties of Indian Constitution. As we all know, fundamental duties are included in Part 4A of Indian Constitution, and this part was added by 42nd Amendment of Indian Constitution in 1976. दोस्तों फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ हैं वो पार्ट 4A में इंक्लूडेड हैं, जो कि 42nd अमेंडमेंट के द्वारा इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ऐड की गई थी. ये पॉइंट काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है और रिलेटेड MCQ किसी एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जा सकता है कि फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ वर एडेड बाय विच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट. सो आवर आंसर विल बी 42nd अमेंडमेंट. एंड द अदर इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट इज़ दैट द फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ वर introduced in our constitution on the recommendation of Saran Singh committee, and the idea of adding fundamental duties in our constitution was taken from USSR. They are included in Article 51A of Indian Constitution, which was added by the same constitutional amendment, that is 42nd constitutional amendment in 1976. एक और बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट जो बात है जहाँ पे वो ये है कि फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ हैं जो इनिशियल दे वर 10 इन नंबर, बट 11th ड्यूटी वाज एडेड बाय 86th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट 2002 एंड नाउ देयर नंबर इज टोटल 11. सो नाउ विल कम ऑन टू व्हाट आर दीज फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़. It is important to remember these 11 fundamental duties because sometimes MCQ question can be asked. You will be given 3 or 4 different choices where you have to identify which of the following is not a fundamental duties. So 3 will be included from these and 1 can be different line. So have to identify the incorrect thing. So what are these fundamental duties? First is to abide by the constitution and respect national flag and national anthem. Second fundamental duty is to follow the ideals of freedom. Third is to protect the sovereignty and integrity of India. The fourth is to defend the country when called upon to do so. Fifth is to promote the spirit of common brotherhood. Sixth fundamental duty is to preserve composite culture. Seventh is to protect natural environment. Eighth is to develop scientific temper. Ninth is to safeguard public property. 10th is to strive towards excellence. And 11th is, which was added by 86th constitutional amendment, and even fundamental right 21A was also added by this constitutional amendment. So 11th is, it is a duty of all parents and guardians to send their children below 14 years to school. Thank you very much. For more GK video tutorials, you can visit our website gkindiavideos.com.